Well, I'm Stacey Southward. My husband and I live here in Mission, Texas as part of Aladdin Villa's 55 plus community. We moved down from Minnesota almost 5 years ago to be closer to my mother-in-law. What I like about living here in the valley is that there's no snow. We don't have to shovel or drive in it or walk in it or even see it. We were looking for new windows, so we got a hold of Gabe at Window World. You guys were easy to work with. We loved the quality that we had. They withstood the windstorms where we literally had branches flying into the window and they didn't even crack or scratch. We replaced all of the windows. We are loving it that we no longer need the aluminum ugly things on our windows on the south side because of the thermal aspect of the windows you guys provide. Our electricity in both heating and air conditioning are down. The noise, people are doing yard work all the time, especially with all these leaves, and it cut down on the road noise. That is huge for me who works at home. And they were in and out very quickly and they were courteous. The customer service goes a long way in for us personally. We have recommended you guys. In fact, just today I had a neighbor over and he's like, yeah, I'm looking at getting new windows. Do you really like yours? And yeah, you need to give Window World a call.